This is the spot of an old mill site. This is in Lake Elsinore, California. You can see nothing but the foundation left here. Here's a big pile of crushed to powder ore. Various, some sort of gasket there. There's these old paint cans that are sealed. This looks like, I don't know what that would be used for. It looks like plaster or something. Maybe it's some sort of makeshift crucible. I'm not sure. And then this can has some sort of I don't know, like a resin. I don't know what that is. Looks like a barrel top. Let's see what else I can find. Here's some more artifacts that I found. I've never seen this before. Looks like it has a pin there. Pin going through it, and it looks burnt. Like, I almost, if I had to guess, I would say this is like a blasting cap or something, or is this what they would stick inside of a hole that they would drill to blast it out? Just my layman's guess. Interesting artifact. Looks like it's almost like it's a concrete thing. There's a cap. This is looks like a steel pin in the back. And inside, looks like that. Paper wrapped, so it's almost like a firecracker. Interesting. There's a couple of them scattered about. Here's another one here. Here's a closer look at that mound next to the old mill site. As you can see, it's pretty fine. I'm not sure what mesh that is, but that is the consistency of powdered concrete. But it's been sitting here for 70, 80 years at least. So I don't know, I doubt there'll be anything in it, but I'll take a couple spoonfuls. Maybe I'll get some amalgam, who knows. Moving on. Directly above the foundation for the old mill is this big hole. I'll head up there to the top, see if we can't see what they were chasing. see. What do we got here? Sorry for the shoddy camera work, guys. Looks like right through here, there's a faulting that's going on right here. You see where the rock is curving and going straight up. That's about the only thing I can see of note. We will continue. One more note on this spot before we move on. Just taking a closer look at this here. And the earth is really red. Just really like a, I guess it would be a rust or clay red. Something up far on the hill above where the mill was. I don't know what this is. Maybe somebody can identify it for us. It's on a concrete slab. Looks like it was set up I don't know what it was holding here. Something important. What does it say? Alhambra Foundry something Ltd. Alhambra Foundry so .ltd maybe? Yeah, it's right here. Come look, you can see it right there. You got some square head bolts. I saw an old D-cell battery on the ground that was all rusted up. Not sure how long they've been around. What do we got here?
Look at that rock. It looks like it's just about ready to come down.
Yeah. Road continues up there, but I'm not sure if it's going to be drivable. The road getting up here, nobody had been on for a very long time. This is kind of interesting.
Drivable on a dirt bike or a quad.
I'll leave that here. Alright. Let's see what else we can find. That's part of a blue drum, blue water drum. Yeah, look up there, Bill. See what you find. this part of an old record player? Yeah, I think it is. I think this is some sort of piece of an old electrical. Not sure how old that is though. Still got some springs on it. Mr. Electrician, what is this? Catch. Actually, don't.
Not catching the crop.
Alright. What do we got off the edge of this outcropping? Not much. That old, the old mill site is right around that bend to the right over there. And you can see just how close we are to modern day houses. The area that we're standing on right now is BLM land, but it's a pretty small patch. And there's another patch of BLM right over there in those hills. Let's get an idea of some of the country rock here. Saw one piece of white quartz laying around, but I haven't found any more. There's a lot of granite in these hills, but I don't really normally see much quartz. A lot of old junk, old cans. This is a pretty modern can, but I don't know how old these are, how original. Okay, we'll move on. There's a little interesting spot. This is the road that we're on. Not much of a road at this point, but it continues on over there. And then down there, let's see if I can zoom in for you guys. There is perhaps a fault line that goes down there. From what I can tell on Google Earth, it continues along that range up the side of that mountain. So we'll go take a look. You can almost see in the picture here the redness of the earth over there, the mineralized earth.